we're going to start at the beginning with the initial visit. And this isn't anything that you can buy. This isn't anything that we offer other than advice-wise, is observe and ask questions. Those are the two most important things. And I've learned, especially the ask questions part, it's so easy to go into a situation and tell somebody everything. The hardest thing is to ask the questions and listen, right? Because we're all proud of what we do. And we want to tell you, I do this, I can do all these things. It's much easier and it's quicker if you just ask a question, sit back. People are going to spill their guts, believe it or not, as to what they want. And you don't even have to tell them what you have to offer until afterwards. Does that make sense, everybody? And again, that's not something you buy, and it's a tough thing to do because, like I said, we're all proud of what we do. And we want to show, and tell. But asking questions is the most important thing to do.